Hi guys, welcome to my channel Freckled Mom DIY. I'm Devin. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, hey. Today I am working in my yard. I'm kind of messy and dirty. We have been yard sailing all day and we stopped at Home Depot, and I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of what I'm doing in my backyard. I will be doing a full video on this. And if you didn't know, I am very vocal on Instagram. And if you want to head over to Instagram, you can follow me as Freckled Mom. This Freckled_Mom. I'll place it down in my description as well as the bottom of the screen. If you head over to my Instagram stories, I am there all day sharing with you guys what I'm doing, my current projects and upcoming projects and ideas for projects and just whatever's happening in life here at the Frizzados. And make sure you stay tuned, guys, because I have a lot coming up. So if you haven't subscribed and you love DIYs and home improvements and room renovations and all that fun stuff, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos that I post. Let's jump right in, guys. This is definitely for indoors, but I'm gonna make it for outside. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I love it. Super sturdy, and I just love the color, and it's just, I don't know, I like it a lot. I'd like to take this ladder apart. This was not found at a yard sale. I got this one for free at the clean out that we did at the thrift store, and I saved pretty much everything. So we went to the store and we grabbed some plants. Now the whole point of putting this back here was that we couldn't have it over here because it was falling into the driveway for whatever reason, because we got the driveway done last year, so it was a little soft. So now we put it in here, but we can't put vegetables because Miko would be eating them. So we decided to get butterfly attracting plants, and we didn't get all the ones we wanted yet. I'm gonna stop and maybe try to get some yellow. I think yellow would look nice. So we have like the purple. This isn't where they're going. I think I'm gonna do, well, maybe 1, 2, I'm not sure. I think we'll do like a big guy, big guy, big guy, and then the little guys around. But I do want to get some more, so I don't want to plant them yet, but I do have to clean up this bed super bad. Now, if you remember from my stories yesterday, I put these chairs out just to see if I was going to have enough room, because I'd like to put a fire pit right here, but this is where we walk in, and it's, you know, kind of close to the house, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this area. So I think I'm going to get rid of this table. I just have this idea for this cottage garden space, and I'm not feeling it yet, but with a little bit of spray paint and some flowers, I think we're going to get there, guys. Nico, you like your new flowers? Did you see your new flowers? Come on. Nico, come look at your flowers. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's nice. Nope. We're not doing that. Okay, maybe this is a bad idea. So as you can see, that was a very quick glimpse of my backyard and what I will be working on in the next couple of days. So I do have a lot going on. We are drying right now, waiting for tomorrow when I'm going to start spray painting. And I do have a few more things to pick up. So I hope that it won't take too long and you guys will get a video very soon. But make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And again, thank you for being here. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm super excited, and I hope you are having a wonderful time outside enjoying this beautiful weather. So no crafting done today, but keep gardening and have a wonderful evening.